Begin in Tadasana, arms by your side body, lifting the shoulders up and releasing them down the back. On an inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And on an exhale, bow, step or hop, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Connecting with the breath, inhale, lifting the right leg. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, release, complete the circle, step forward. Ardha Uttanasana, exhale, Uttanasana. And on an inhale, reach and rise. Sweep the arms overhead, Urdhva Hastasana. Continue the journey, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale. Exhale, step or hop, returning to downward dog. Connect with the breath. Inhale, left leg rises, and we lunge it forward. Virabhadrasana 1. Stretching the side body's good and well. Continue to connect with the breath. Completing the circle, inhale, straight back. Exhale, bow to the practice. Inhale, sweeping the arms overhead, returning to a standing back bend. And then completing the journey back into Tadasana. Namaste.